Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install HubSpot meeting links and scheduling, complete guide step by step clearly. To install HubSpot meeting links and scheduling, start by logging into your HubSpot account. Once logged in, navigate to the sales dashboard using the main menu. In the sales dropdown, click on meetings. Now, look for the meeting links section on the meetings page. Click on the create meeting link button to start the process. Choose the type of meeting you want to create, such as one-on-one or group meetings. Fill in the details for your meeting, including the title and description. Set the duration for the meeting according to your preference. Next, select your available time slots by clicking on Availability. Adjust the scheduling preferences, like the days and times you want to. You can then connect your calendar by following the prompts to sync with Google Calendar, Office 365, or another calendar service. After connecting your calendar, ensure your meeting link settings reflect your time zone correctly. Once you've reviewed all the details, click on Save to create your meeting link. Your newly created meeting link will now appear on the Meetings page. To share the meeting link, you can copy the URL or share it directly via email or messaging platforms. You can also embed the meeting link on your website or in your email signature for easier access. To manage existing meeting links, simply return to the Meetings page and click on any link to modify or delete it. Feel free to explore additional settings, such as reminders and follow-up emails, to enhance the meeting experience. Your HubSpot meeting links are now fully set up and ready for use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.